Hi, this is DJ Dimaliuat, and I'm a licensed broker of Driven Marketing Group. And for this video, I will be showing you some of the photos and shots, video shots of Transphil Estate in San Juan. It's a development of Transphil Real Estate. And this is the last remaining unit as of today, June 2020. If you're watching this on a later date, it might be sold out, but it's fine if you're looking for properties. If you have some questions, just comment down below or message me. I will leave my link to my Facebook business page so that you can contact me for the updated prices or probably availabilities of properties and townhouses, commercial properties here in Metro Manila, Mandaluyong, Makati, San Juan, QC, Pasig. Let me know what you need, and then maybe I can look for you. And I'm also shooting different videos of our properties here in Metro Manila and nearby cities. So before proceeding to the video, don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and also turn on that notification bell so that you will get notified every time I have new videos for you. that's the property. If you like the property, or if you have some questions, or if you're looking for properties elsewhere, maybe I can, or we can look for you in our company. Let me know your requirements. Let me know your questions. Leave a comment below or message me directly so that we can assist you. It depends on the updated prices of the properties. As we all know, prices go up eventually. So if you want to invest early, let me know. If you want to buy this property, let me know. Or if you're looking for a property, just let me know the price range that you're looking for, how big it is, and then we can help you. So again, this is DJ Dimaliuat, and I hope to talk to you soon.